om iets daaruit te kry. Jy sal dit nie glo nie, maar soos ek vir jou gesê het, as jy jou brein goed kan gebruik, kan jy uit niks, uit recycling, uit baie geld maak. Jy kan 'n huis bekostig, soos ek gesê het, jy kan kinders skool gee, daar bewys dit klaar dat ek 2 kinders so ver gebring het, en nog ander families wat ek help, maar daai is my punt. Education is baie belangrik vir my. Is hoekom ek vir die mense sê, doen moeite, kom verkoop julle se goedjies, laat julle iets kry en julle se kinders se geleerdheid gee.
There's always opportunity. Once it is identified, you need to have a good plan. It needs to be financed. All is possible. What we've done in this small community and with the community involved, with community members involved, churches, the local government institutions, the local authority, involve everybody, keep everybody informed, listen to everybody, walk forward, don't look back. There's always a tomorrow. Success is not built in a short period, in a short term. If you are well planned, if it's well structured and everything, things can go wrong. It is not that it is a success from day one. You need to learn along the road, the lessons. And if those are good lessons learned, apologize where you go wrong. Be open and frank towards donors. Be responsible towards your donors. Be responsible towards your local government, to the government of Namibia in a whole. We are not here for ourselves. We are here to uplift